This isn't working. I'm trying to hit yes to take off. It won't let me. What the hell? I agree, full responsibility. Yes. Alright.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Very hard to see. Okay, I got a 200-foot altitude limit, which is fine.
Altitude zone reached.
Okay. Focus check. Okay. So I'm flying close to the airport, but not that close. In fact, it's probably about 4 or 5 miles away. But all I really wanted to do was come out here and get some shots of this old Tobin Packing Meat plant. We used to call it the pig house. Not a very good signal. It's an old meat packing plant. As I said, we used to call it the pig house. I used to work nearby, over that direction down there. We used to work at Bruno Machinery. It was a machine shop. And every day you'd drive by this place, and all you would smell was the stench of, like, pig blood or whatever the hell it was. Burnt hair, nastiness. And this place has been around for a while. I think it's scheduled to be torn down eventually. Not sure how. I don't want to have to be really careful flying over here, because I don't want to hit something. Pretty decrepit. I can't get too low. Pretty big place. It's been vacant for about maybe 25, 30 years. They used to make hot dogs and shit here. I'm having a really hard time with seeing the screen. I couldn't see the screen well enough to be able to tell what the warning said. In reality, the airport is a ways out, but I got an altitude limit of 200 feet, which is fine. I don't care about that. I'm not sure how low I can get, because the signal is not great. I'm not that close. Some birds just went by. Maybe about 80 feet off the ground here. tower. Smokestack. It's a little windy. I'm at Pocket Park in Colony, where baseball fields are over here. I need to be careful because possibly power lines that I can't see. It's hard to judge the exposure. I was just at my doctor's office, a little ways from here. This is one of a handful of buildings in the area that are abandoned. I've been to 2 other ones. One is the paper mill, Fort Orange Paper Mill in Skodak, Castleton. And the other one is the Central Warehouse, downtown Albany. And there's this place. It's really hard for me to judge the picture. Hard to tell what's going on, what I'm looking at. I'm 90 feet. I am back there in the second field. I used to live around here too. You got trees growing on the roof. How about that? This is something I'd rather have eyes on, but I can't get close enough because it's all fenced in. So you can get above the smokestack. There you go. Tap. Birds flying out. You're like, yo, what the fuck is that shits? I don't know what's down here. This is some other business. Very hard to judge the exposure and stuff on the screen. Yeah, they used to make hot dogs here and sausage. That's I-90. Central Avenue's over there. Real different look from Skodak. Got a good headwind because I'm not going too fast. I should be doing. I should be doing faster than 28. Yeah, I'm at the Little League fields over here. Pocket Park. This must be like a little peewee field because it's freaking tiny. There he is. That's me.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
No, I'm at the home point, you stupid bitch. Just messed up my focus. Well, I've had better flights, but kind of a tough place to fly because I couldn't have eyes on target. "17 minutes, yeah, that's pretty long, but half of it was sitting on the ground trying to figure out how to fucking take off. So, bring it home.
Landing.
Alright, well, that was the pig house. Checked it out. Nothing else to really see here in Colony, New York. We dub out.